Hello. Welcome to iMobile Support channel. If you want to manage contacts on iOS device or transfer contacts from your device to your computer, please don't worry, AnyTrans can help you. In this video, we will introduce the method to transfer contacts to Mac. Firstly, please download and open AnyTrans on your Mac. Please choose Device Manager function, and you will see the Please connect your iPhone, iPad, iPod interface. Please connect your iOS device with USB. Once your iOS device is recognized, you will enter this interface and see the device information. Please click More button and you will see Contacts option. And then please choose Contacts option. When the loading process completes, it will display the number of contacts on the right side of the Contacts icon. You can click Select All button to choose all contacts. And also you can click by name to manage your contacts. Then please choose the contacts you want to export. Please click the To Mac button and choose one format to export contacts. Once the transfer process completes, you will see Transfer Completed page. Please click View Files button to locate contacts exported on computer. And you can also click Transfer More button to transfer more contacts. Thank you for watching this video.